Nagluto ako ng chips. Tsaka yung chicken. It's so hot, okay? Make sure you blow. Blow. Ate Paris is playing with her Switch now. Ayan. So, ito yung binili natin na meron silang deal that time. So, merong pa free na Mario kasama. Ayan. So, yan lang yung game niya muna. So, we'll buy more para sa kanya sa biyahe. We'll get some more games. Did you blow? Blow, blow, blow? Video call kami ng mama ko na. Paputol-putol, may signal, oy. Ma, say hi to my vlog.
Hello, good morning, everyone. How's your Christmas? Merry Christmas! Ibahaan milan sa mong Christmas!
Binahaan sila doon, guys.
Thank you for continuing. Tanaw sa vlog ni Maman Fares.
Umuulan doon, walang undang ang kanilang ulan, may binahaan. Nara, kuan, regalo ni Tita Christine. Kang Celine. Tingnan nyo yung signal, guys. Trying to connect. Why ayo? Kain pa more. Ang kanyang ate walang pakialam, Yum, yum.
Busy kay Fares, no? Fares is busy. Busy.
Daddy's going. There. We're going to the cafe. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Very sunny. Blue skies. Going tomorrow. Itong batang ito, hindi na kailangan ng pram talaga, guys. There's no chance na uupo siya sa pram. So, hindi na lang namin dinadala kasi dinaragdagan yung bit-bit namin. Like, we're taking this to it. Tapos may may pram pa kaming bit-bit. Naku. So, it's the 26th of December. It's the day after Christmas. Yan. So, si Daddy ay nakadala ng kanyang shoes. Kanyang bag. So, after the cafe ay pupunta siya ng gym. So, it's Boxing Day today in Australia, guys. So, it's shopping day. We're gonna go shopping, Daddy?
Huh?
We're gonna go shopping?
No.
You sounded like Celine then. But yeah, now guys, we are going to get some few stuff for our Philippines trip. Bibilhin kami sa Bunnings and yung mga kailangan namin. So we'll go later when Daddy Mike comes back from gym. And then Daddy Mike agreed na alagaan niya yung mga kiddos. Magpapagawa muna si mami ng kuko. Kasi, uwi tayo ng Pinas, guys. Tingnan niyo ang ating kuko, Jesus. Kakaya naman sa Pilipinas. Nakakaya naman sa Pilipinas ang ating kuko. So, wala na tayong chance na magpagawa ng kasi Daddy Mike will be working. And then, we're leaving on Saturday. Lini! Tingnan niyo, gusto niya talagang maglakad na. What was that? Butterfly?
Butterfly.
What are you holding lang? Yan yung kanyang regalo.
This is my Switch is inside.
Super nice. And then
I'm
switch.
walking right now.
Hi!
Just holding Daddy's hand without getting too distracted.
She's a good girl. I can hear that plane, but I can see it. It's behind the clouds. Big girl naman ang baby Celine, oy.
Hi, there's a dead bee over there.
Where?
Come on, Lenny.
Oh yeah.
It's the dead bee?
Come on lang.
How did the bee get dead?
Maybe the other bee stung the bee.
Huh?
Maybe the other bee stung it.
Bye-bye.
That's why. Come on na, go daddy! So pag uwi kami ng Pinas guys, hindi na rin kami magdadala ng tram. Ayun, maglalakad na yan si Inday. Uy, go straight to daddy ka. Ito na kami. How many? Knock, 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 knock!
My show!
Coffee, clothing, vending. Ito yung pa-outfit ni mami today. Ha?
I got five.
Okay? Nag-collect sa shells.
I like them.
Open! Open! Hello! How are you? Merry Christmas!
It was.
So your drink?
We're going to go down to see if I can collect some more.
Okay, sweetheart. Yeah. Share, okay?
On the countdown. Come on, sort of the middle of January to see if I can actually see what I've got. See if I can.
At 12 o'clock ng tanghali guys. Hindi pa nakauwi si Daddy Mike from the gym. So naisipan ko ito yung gagawin ko ngayon. Kasi baby Celine ay having a nap right now. Nalabas ko na ang mask. Gamitin natin sa airport. Yan. Tapos itong blanket na to, ilalagay ko to siya sa aking hand carry na bag. Kasi pag nagpapadeli tayo, gano'n sa airport, so meron tayong cover. And also, will keep Celine and myself and parents warm. Pag, kasi alam niyo naman, maginaw yung airplane, diba? So, ito siya, natanggap namin sa nung, Pasko kahapon. So, may nabigay sa amin ito. So, since hindi namin ito makakain dito, ilalagay ko na lang siya dito sa isa pang bagahe ko. So, yung isang bagahe natin, guys, na check-in natin, ay punong-puno na. So, our clothes are already. And alam niyo ba, so, originally, yung yung pinurchase ko na bagahe na check-in is 20 kilos each for Ate Paris. Yeah. For Daddy Mike and for myself. So, all in all, 60 kilos na check-in luggage. But then, yung isang, bagahe, I weighed it, alam niyo ba? Umabot ng 28 kilos. Kaya alam niyo, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'll just upgrade the 2 check-in baggages. So, kay Daddy Mike, it will stay 20 kilos kasi si Daddy Mike, wala naman yan siyang madaming dala talaga. So, yung kay Ate Paris tsaka sa akin, ay gagawin naming 32 kilos each. So, nag-check ako sa airline, yung website nila, at ang sabi doon, if from 20 kilos to 32 kilos, we have to add 51 Australian dollars ata per bag. So, ayun, mag-add tayo ng $102 for this one. So, pwede pa natin malagyan. Yung isa close na, ito na lang, ang i-finalize natin yung mga kasama ng mga damit ko. Tapos, dito ko rin ilalagay yung mga toiletries. So, sabi ko, yeah, I think it's perfect na gawin natin 32 kilos. Sobrang bigat na. Super bigat. After dito, I don't know if I can do my nails now because it's getting late. At yung, tingnan nyo, ang Ate Paris ay naglalaro ng kanyang Magic Mixie. Alam niyo yung very favorite niya na laruan. Binili namin for Christmas sa kanya. At yan yung ginagawa niya ngayon. Yung parang witch ba, nagagawa ng potion. Nag-aso-aso guys. Nag-aso-aso sa loob ng bahay. Umuusok. Are you right now?
Yes. I think I'm going.
Are you scared?
No, I think I'm going.
So, hindi ko na mapapagawa yung kuko ko. Maybe tomorrow. Kasi sabi ni Daddy, may wala siyang work tomorrow. Tapos, ang ating Ate Paris ay pupunta ng Kindi. So, yeah, I think it's easier kasi sa Kindi, Ate Paris, and then, good job, Ate. and Daddy Mike can look after Celine while I'm doing my nails. So, yung gagawin na lang siguro natin this afternoon is pupunta kami ng chemist kasi bibili tayo ng mga vitamins na Ate Paris na dadalhin kasi kulang ito. And, yung cream niya, yeah, you have to flip it back, honey, if you want to do it again.
Should I do it over later so that I can see?
Yeah, come here. Can you help Mama take this out? Okay, so we'll bring it to the Philippines.
You mind?
Dadalhin natin yung, maybe not this one, huh? What do you think? Dadalhin natin yung mga, bibili tayo ng mga cream natin para sa kanyang skin. Kasi yung mga gamit namin dito ay nasa tub yung malalaki. Gusto kong bumili na yung compact lang yung maliit. Bit-bitin
I
natin.
want one.
Okay, ito ara. I want one big. What's this now? Okay.
These are so yum. I have them.
Marvelous and fine. Okay.
It's so yum.
What's this one? Blackjack. That's nice. Maraming magkakagusto nyo yun. Macadamia shortbread. Nutribar.
Mine? Lucky I put this in.
Yeah. Oh, did you leave some? You can use it for later.
Yeah, I'll need it for later
What's
so
this
that...
one?
Here.
Strawberry conserve, yeah.
Strawberry
Green tea. Yeah. Shall we bring this one up? Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Yeah,
Should be alright. Let's take it. And then this one is apricot. And then
Nothing else inside.
got wafers. Yeah.
Nothing else inside mine.
Nothing else? Okay, shall we bring that one? Yeah, we'll bring that one. Why not? So, ito na ang mukha ng aking bag. Ayan. So, ito, natapos na yan siya dyan. Yung mga damit ko, nakapasok na dyan. Ito, mga underwear na lang yan dyan. Papasok. Mga papeles. And then here, ayan. Nalagay ko lang kung ano yung mga pwedeng isusuksok dito hanggang, yeah, hanggang mag 32 kilos ito. And, ito, nilagay ko na dito para sa space. Hindi ko pa nailagay yung mga, ko, makeup, mga toiletries ko dyan nilalagay. Pero yung mga maliliit lang din yung dadalhin ko. So, ayan. This one go to the bin na. Sus, laki pa na sa sidlan. Wala man lang laman sa loob.
I really want one more of the biscuits. Just so yum.
Biscuit.
And just so yum.
I know. Yeah, you can have another one here. Once you had your lunch. Yeah, one more, okay? Just one more.
Ah!
So, ano na yung isang bag. Alam niyo ba, hindi lang yung Sydney to Manila na flight yung kailangan kong i-upgrade yung ating baggage kasi nga, I underestimate. So, kailangan din natin i-update yung Manila to Cagayan de Oro. Kasi lahat talaga, 20 kilos lang yung binili ko. I should have known. Di ba? Dapat 32 kilos. So, bigat-bigat na yung bag natin, guys. Pero pagbalik namin dyan, ano na, yung mga gamit na namin yung mga napamili ko na rin doon yung ilalagay ko sa loob ng bag. Kasi mostly, pang ano man yan, pang pasalubong ba. Tapos yung mga damit ko, iiwan ko din naman doon.
You finished.
3:20 in the afternoon. We're in the car. Ate Paris is a big girl now. Oh, she knows how to undo.
Can you undo Celine?
Help Celine ka.
Undo Celine, ha? Nakbe? Nako?
Nakbe. Good job, big girl. Hala, she's gonna. Okay.
Quick.
Daddy, thank you. Daddy, thank you. Oh my God. Dito na kami ngayon sa labas ng Bunnings, guys. Daddy wants to go to Rebel first. Ayan, sa harapan. Oh. We'll go there first. May time pa naman. I think Bunnings will close at 6 o'clock tonight. See you, ate. After dito guys, ayan Bunnings. Oh. Punta kami ng chemist. Para sa mga creams ng ating Ate Paris. Ewan ko kung anong bibili ni Daddy Mike sa Rebel Sport. What did you say?
She's so refreshing.
Huh?
She's so refreshing.
It's so refreshing though.
Touch it. Touch
Because
it,
it's
man.
soft, isn't it?
Whoa. Sunflower. Free flower.
This is super cute. Where's Daddy lang? This is cute, oh. Kaya lang, large. Laki naman. Where? Daddy, where's Celine? She's looking for her daddy. I think she wants to give that to her daddy. Ate Paris, come here, ate. You looking for Dada? Huh? Dada, do you wanna give that to Dada? Cute, cute. Oh, siya lang talaga yung pumili niyan, guys. Hey, Dada is here. Oh, this way. Hey, Lynn, this way. Daddy is here. Daddy, she's got something for you, Bob. See? She took it off the rack and she's looking for you. Look, the Daddy's there. Give it to Daddy now. See? Look, Daddy. Daddy.
Did you?
Daddy. Grab it from her, but she was. Give it to Daddy. Okay? Mama will help you. Up. Good girl. No, I know how much that. 130, not bad.
Can I?
Do you want that, Ling? Yeah?
I need to go.
No. You wanna ride that? Hmm? Oh, wait a minute. Look where you're going.
Wait, I need to push over the house.
Lily wants to ride this one. Keep going.
Daddy.
We'll see if you know how to ride this one. Look, look at the Paris.
It's too hard. It's very hard only when you're on here.
Uh-huh.
I want to buy it. Please, please, mine.
Hey, we're going to the Philippines, Manak. You won't be able to.
Give it.
You won't be able to use it until you come back. Actually, it's like Daddy. Oh, you want that one? Okay, okay. Do you want to ride it one now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. There you go. Hold on. Hold on. Good job. See? Wow. Use this one. This one.
I want water. I want water.
Kmart na kami, guys.
Ooh.
Ayan na yun.
Push on.
Ate Paris ay may maliit na... Yo, ma? I think she wants more, Daddy. Ay, gosh! Tulo-tulo! Saan ba natin nahanapin yung stick, eh?
Whoa, whoa.
You okay?
Yeah.
Don't do that lang.
Why?
You're gonna hurt yourself. Maybe here. Ito yung hinahanap ko, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ko ito siya gagamitin. Okay, let's go find a lock. Okay, kailangan natin ipakat into half, guys. Kasi sobrang haba, hindi mag-fit sa sasakyan. First time ko makakita dito sa Australia ng ganito. Bili tayo ng padlock para sa ating bagahe, guys. Yung sa akin, meron naman yung built-in na yung niya, padlock niya. Yung na lang natin is yung kay Daddy Mike tsaka yung isa pa. So maybe this one. Sabi nakalagay dito, asan ba yun? Ideal for luggage. We'll get this one. One key fits all. Ayan. I think dalawa lang naman yung kailangan natin talaga. Kasi yung mga carry-on, hindi na kailangan ng mga lock. Gusto nyo ito. Sobrang laki. Bigat-bigat pa. Wala na. 32 kilos ng ating bagahe. Pag dito, 50 kilos na with the lock. Grabe yung bigat. Yeah, I think this is perfect na, guys. Si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mga kids ay nandun na sa playground. Iniwan na nila ako kasi yung mga kids ay gusto nang maglaro. I don't think I need anything else here. Ito lang lang.
A few moments later.
It's now 6 o'clock. My loves. Actually, 6:13 to be exact. Kakauwi lang namin. Magluluto na tayo ng dinner. So, nakita nyo kanina, nagpunta kami ng Woolies. So, ako lang yung lumabas para hindi na very, ma-inconvenient pa kasi yung mga bata sa loob ng sasakyan. So, ako na yung tumakbo kasi mag-close na rin yung shop very soon. So, nagmadali na ako. Namili ako ng mga kakailanganin namin from today until Friday kasi Saturday na yung alis natin. So, I'm cooking. Lily girl, careful na please! Bumili ako ng vegetables. Ayan. And then, yung nakahiwa-hiwa na na beef para diretsahan na. Then, I'm gonna have oyster sauce with it. Tapos, luto na rin tayo ng kanin. So, yan lang yung dinner. Very easy. Easy peasy. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, siguro lutuin na niya yung mga pagkain niya dyan na baka ma-off na ba pag alis namin. So, uubusin. Hindi kami nakapunta ng... What's in the mouth, Selene? Camille, come to mama. Hindi kami nakapunta doon sa pharmacy. Bukas na lang kasi wala namang works daddy bukas. At hindi ko rin napagawa ang aking kuko. So yun yung namin kanina na paggawa ko yung aking kuko, walang nangyari. So hindi kami pumunta. But tomorrow, wala pa rin works Daddy Mike, so we will make time for it. Para ready na tayo sa ating biyahe. So, alam niyo ba guys, yung binili kong stick kanina, so yung gagawin ko doon ay ganire. So, yung mga windows namin ay sliding, diba? Pati yung, yung door, sliding din. So, yung gagawin ko ay, asan ba yung nilagay ni Daddy Mike? Ewan ko asan nilagay ni Daddy Mike. But, para siyang sa dito, kapag close siyang ganyan, dito ko siya ilalagay sa kabila. Para, if ever lang naman, diba? For safety lang naman. For safety reasons. If ever ma-open, hindi siya ma-unlock. If ever ma-unlock, hindi talaga siya ma-open kasi merong nakabaraba na stick. So, yun yung plano ko doon. Kaya sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, kailangan ko talagang bilhin yun. And Daddy Mike looks at me like, "Why you don't trust the mga lock dito sa bahay." But hindi naman sa ganun. It's extra na safety ba. Hello again guys, it's now 9:40 ng gabi. Ngayon lang tayo nag-vlog ulit. So, after ko magluto kanina, obviously pinakain ko na yung mga kids. And now baby Celine is now sleeping. And this little one here, kakalabas lang from her shower. She's playing with her gift. Yeah, from Daddy.
And Mommy.
Mommy, yeah.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mommy.
Parents, I forgot. It's like your last day of school tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.
No, but that's school time.
Huh?
I just forgot.
Yeah, not tomorrow. It's the day after. Yeah. So, papatulog na namin tong batang ito kasi alam niyo ba, bukas ay second to the last, what's up, second to the last day ng ating baby Paris sa kanyang kindi sa Daddy Mike just putting cream on her before namin yan papatulog. Tulog na rin ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Lumabas ako ng room, so it's now 11 o'clock. Looking for some snacks. This is the salted beer nuts. Daddy Mike still watching the Emily in Paris. So, hiramin ko yung laptop ni Daddy Mike kasi nga, diba, as mentioned earlier today, kailangan nating i-upgrade yung ating bagahe from 20 kilos to 32 kilos. So, I'm hoping it's the same price. No, I think last time I checked, Daddy, it's $51, like the Sydney to Manila flight. Each luggage. Do you think it will change? It will stay the same, yeah? I think it's only the flight na mag-change yung mga price, but yung baggage, I think it's the same. So, ayan, nakapag-log in na tayo, guys. So, dito tayo. Customize. Add or upgrade bags. Let's see. Save up to 66% by adding bags now instead at the airport. Select for both flights. Yep. So 150, 450. It's better that way actually. Proceed to payment. Tapos yung ano naman Manila. Daddy. So with Brisbane to Sydney one, who should I contact? Can I contact Virgin directly or?
I don't think so.
I'll see if they have like an online chat thingy.